Well, good morning and welcome to Wednesday Assembly. Through the course of last week, I went to see each tutor group in Year 7 to give what I think are some very simple but critical messages. Though I only spoke to the youngest boys in the school, I think the ideas I try to get across are important for everyone to hear and think about in these times where we're simply not able to get together in either the sports hall or the cathedral. There will, after all, be around 250 Bishop students currently who've yet to see the whole school assembled together, the whole school singing hymns together, or see us all celebrating the wonderful things that happen here day in, day out, together. It simply can't happen, so we have to improvise. And my visits to those Year 7 tutor rooms and this assembly are a part of that. 3 messages then about settling down, about a bigger picture, and about playing your part. Well, firstly, well done for settling into the new arrangements. What we're all doing, the way that we're functioning and coexisting, is not easy to do sometimes. There always seem to be limitations, things that get in the way of time, of space, of activities and opportunities. We could all be doing so much more were the world to be a little less strange. But even so, the start of term has gone well. You're coping well with the restricted amount of flexibility, the short breaks, the need to be in specific spaces only when you're not in lessons. Compared with that frenetic start to term, things feel a lot more measured and organised and purposeful. And that doesn't happen by accident, I know. So well done. Secondly, we all need to try to keep a firm hold on the idea that we're part of something much bigger here. The front page of the website shows some of our current and past sixth form students, many of whom have now departed to join universities across the UK. There's succession here. The baton is passed as the generations move through. Our current prefects are completing their application for university places in their turn right now, and so the wheel of time turns itself. Bishop's is launch pad. All of you are in different places on that launch platform, but the time will come when you'll take your place in leading and representing the school. Bishop's, at the very heart of Salisbury, is a powerhouse made by all of you rather than just a school. From the oldest Year 13 to the youngest Year 7, you all have an equally important part to play, both now and in the future. Lastly, because we're all working together to do something really special here, everyone has to do their bit. Whatever you do, in class, for homework, on the sports field, in the lab, in music or art, wherever you might be, whatever you are doing, do your absolute best and have pride in what you achieve. Whether you're in school or on your way to or from, whether you're walking or cycling or riding on the bus or train, make sure that you look and behave right. Get it wrong and there's an indelible impression formed that will last. Get it right and everyone here, staff, students, parents, governors, can celebrate a job well done. That really does matter, and we all do need to work on it all of the time. So 3 very simple messages then for a Wednesday morning about the new term, about Bishops in a bigger world, and about working together to create something really special. I think there's something there for everyone. Do your best. Thank you for listening and have a great rest of the week.